Let's do a summer Dollar Tree haul for today's video. If you didn't see, I decorated for 4th of July in the house. Definitely go watch it. I posted it yesterday, so if you missed it, I will link it down below. I decorated the house probably the best I think I've ever done for 4th of July. This is really only like my second year doing it, so like what am I even saying? But so I've been needing to pick these up for a while. They're just cotton balls and not like super summery by any stretch of the means, but I got these actually for my new summer wax melts that I got for my house. And in order to kind of like get wax melts out of there, I think the best method is to soak them up with cotton rounds. Especially sometimes I do feel like they lose their scent, and that's why I don't repurpose them, because you can, I guess, pour the liquid back into its packaging that it came in. So I got that. Then I said it last time, I've already showed these. I was like, I'm gonna go back and get some more. And then when I went back, I found out they had white. So I had no idea. They have red, white, and blue, which is so cute. I don't want to open these up, so I'm going to refer you to the other video where I do open it up. Go check it, because the flag part is so good. It really is good. And then the stick is what lights up essentially. So I can't believe there was a red, white, and blue, and I want to put together like, you know, a little 4th of July gift basket. I'm going to probably display it in some upcoming video. I also wanted to get a new pack of the baseballs. I also opened this up on camera in that previous video, but I needed to go back and get one that was closed, because I'm gonna give this one as well, and I just didn't want, like, I don't know. You know, I wanted it to stay in the packaging. But this was such a cool find. These are baseballs, and you put the little sticks in them. They're red, white, and blue, and I thought they were so cute and so summery. Okay, then I picked up some new products. I have a lot of like skincare. This was actually 2 Dollar Tree trips, so let's do the skincare in a second, and then let's go through like my craft finds. I picked up this teaching tree border with the crayons. I've hauled this before, but I love how bright and colorful they are. I'm heavily into junk journaling, and I cannot wait to start my July daily junk journal. Definitely go buy yours now and become a member if you want to, and that's where I'm going to be junk journaling for summertime. And I just want like a real vibrant aesthetic in my junk journal. So if you want to junk journal with me or learn to junk journal, you want to pick up a hobby this summer, I highly recommend. Off topic, but I watched this girl, and I'm gonna try to implement this somehow into my junk journaling. I'll try to, if her video's downloadable, I'll add it here from TikTok. But she talked about how she gives every day of her life an episode title, like she's doing a TV series about herself. And she says that she does this because it kind of like reminds her what she did in that day. And I don't know, she explains it so much better than I honestly ever could. So I'm just gonna like, if it's available, I'll throw it up here.
This is your sign to title all of your days this summer as episode titles. I did this my sophomore to junior year summer, and I'm doing it again this summer because it was so fun. And you basically get like a 3-page snapshot of everything that you did that summer. Like, for example, my first season, I guess you could say, was called Cruel Summer, and this was because I went to the Eras tour, so that's why I named it that way. But every single day I would write down like the most significant thing that happened, or the most memorable moment, or something that I would want to remember when looking back at it. Like, for example, I wrote Eras tour, Eras tour, Eras tour on the day that I went to the Eras tour. And then season 2, I titled it Hot Summer Nights Mid-July, because I felt it was fitting. And like, for example, one of the days I wrote Whirly Ball because I went to go to Whirly Ball, and that was really fun. So looking back at it, I can basically see like all the memorable and all the fun stuff that I did that month and that season. And then season 3 is like August slipped away into a moment in time. Very original. But I also kind of talked about what I did, and it kind of transitioned into my new school year. And as the school year started, I could look back on my past 3 months and be like, wow, like that was crazy. I did karaoke this day.
Because I thought that was such a cool concept, and I'm needing a little something extra for this summertime. You know, I don't know. I just need a little something extra to kind of use my memories, or actually have a better memories of my life, because I have horrible memory. USA necklaces, they actually say USA and they have the star in between, and I got 2-pack. So I'm gonna be using that for my little, you know, gift thing that I'm putting together. And then I also got the plain beads as well. I was shocked that I saw it in this Dollar Tree. This is like pretty old. It's an item that's been around at Dollar Tree for a few years now. And usually this is kind of the time where you don't start seeing things that you used to. It'll like kind of stay in Dollar Tree for several years, but then it kind of like makes its way out. So when I see these little gold stars, I do love to get them. The zebra pins, I didn't even get all of them. I was too scared. I could tell the store was busy, and I just started to have that checkout anxiety. Right now, run for these. These are so cute and different. Like, I've never seen highlighters look like a pen like this in the display. And again, they were all together. These are the retractable felt tips, which is so interesting. They are a bullet tip as well, and these were the colors that I picked up. It says it never dries out, and it's water-based ink. Its fine felt tip is perfect for journaling, coloring, and everyday writing. It's retractable and capless functionality, so you never worry about losing your cap again. And they are the attention. I thought these were pens, but I'm not a mechanical pencil girly. Unless it's a novelty pen and I'm just using it for display, that's when I'll get it. They're ballpoint pens. So I tried to get all the polka dot ones that I saw because I thought they were the cutest out of all of them, but here are all the colors. Looks like I'm missing yellow. I don't know if they had yellow. So these were a new drop. I saw a restock of the Personal Care Spray-On Detangler. This is tear-free, hypoallergenic, and I actually really like this stuff. I have super fine hair, and I also have a heavy hand when I brush my hair. I try to go soft, but it doesn't always work. So having a detangler is just that extra added safety net for me, so I'm not like killing my hair. Or these are the leave-in conditioners. So this one's going to be a dupe to 62, and I forget what this one is a dupe to, but they are dupes to Sol de Janeiro. So this is the leave-in conditioner. I thought these would be really fun for summertime gift giving. And one of the hacks that I do when my family and we go on our beach vacation is I bring a leave-in conditioner with me like this in my beach bag, and I just spray it all day at the beach. Especially with the salt air and the salt water, like if I knew I was going into the ocean, I would spray this before, and it is so helpful. Not this product specifically, because I'm just now gonna start doing it this year, and then after I get out of the water, I'll go back in and spray in a leave-in conditioner. This is the shaving gel. So the Brazilian Mist. So it's gonna be this pairing right here. I wish all the colors were the same, so it's kind of confusing why they did this, but it's supposed to smell like Sol de Janeiro 62. I don't know how they do it. I hauled this one, but I couldn't quite remember if I hauled this one. So they are two different colors, and the colors are shown on top here. I haven't tried them out yet, so I have one for myself, but I got two for this gift basket that I want to do. I'm going to do two different gift baskets. So I got those that came back out from Dollar Tree. It's Be Pure, and it's supposed to be a dupe to the Olay Regenerist line, which is so amazing. This is your nighttime. I think this is like your regular, but this is the hydrating moisturizer, and this is the hydrating night cream. Although I want to get Pond's, like the Pond's cream. It's been around for eons. People even talk about like their grandmother's grandmother having it, and I need to pick some of that Pond's up and kind of like give it another try. But yeah, these are, I'm gonna show you what the little jar looks like. They're actually really cute. So a little red jar. It's kind of reminding me a little bit of Elizabeth Arden. maybe because of the red, but it is supposed to be a dupe to the Olay brand, which it says right there. And then the other one is this eye serum. Now the eye serum looked different to me, so I'm like, wait, is this a new drop? I don't know, comment, let me know. Or I'm gonna link another Dollar Tree haul down below for you, go watch it. I scored some major finds with this brand. This is the Spascriptions. So go watch that video. I went back to another Dollar Tree and found this guy. My thumbnail real quick, but now I'm gonna bust into this packaging. I don't have scissors, so I can't like cut the tape nicely. But oh my God. Look how beautiful she is. This is a glass bottle. This is heavy, 1.7 fluid ounces. So also great for traveling, like on an airplane, but it is a dropper. I love the sound of like, I don't know, I just love that sound. But yeah, Lift and Firm Facial Serum Anti-Aging. A lot of great, not a pump at the top. Wait, that's actually a crazy feature. I've never even seen that, let alone a Dollar Tree. Of these 5-minute teeth whitening things, so. And I've already hauled them, but I wanted to also use it for my gift giving. I keep the peach and the coconut for myself, and then these are gonna be in a gift basket. So I actually found that I really liked the peach smell and I really liked the coconut sugar smell, but I think the peach smells good. I'm not even a fan of like the smell of peach, but I guess I like it. But that one's so summery, by the way. Yeah. This coconut sugar, oh my gosh. These are reminding me of Tree Hut. Like, I don't know if this is who they're duping, but it's giving Tree Hut to me. The lip balms. I'm on the manhunt for these, okay? I've been hauling them, but I just started using some of mine and the obsession is so real. This one is in the color Sheer Nude, and y'all, it has just a slight tint to it, nothing like over the top, but it's the buttery feel that you will love and adore. And I can't get enough of these. And whenever I'm like doing my makeup in the morning and I've got my moisturizer on, I have no makeup on my skin yet, this is like my moisturizer for my lips. So moisturize my skin, moisturize my lips. I don't like my lips to feel dry while I'm doing makeup, and so I add this. And then I'm also not like a huge fan of my lips looking like there's lipstick on them. I'd rather them look like a tint. And so if I put this on first and then a lipstick on, it kind of gives that effect. So it's like one of my little like tricks or hacks. And Sheer Glow, and Target, Sephora, I don't know. The packaging is actually really, really good. Here's what it looks like. I don't think I'm gonna get much of a tint, and also I just added the other one, so it's not, I don't think it's gonna work for you to see. That one smells really, really good. That is my summer Dollar Tree haul. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again hopefully tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do a Shein haul. I haven't done a Shein haul in a really long time, so if you wanna see that, let me know, comment down below. If you don't seem to care, I might just like not do it and do a Dollar Tree haul. But I actually got some really cute tops and things because I started watching a new clothing influencer on TikTok, and I'm obsessed with her looks. And so I was kind of like going shopping based off of some of the things I saw her wear. So if you want to see that, comment, let me know, and I will hopefully see you guys tomorrow. Well, tomorrow's Father's Day, actually, and we're gonna go out with my stepdad and my mom and Micah. So I don't know if I'm like gonna have time to get a video out, but if I do, it'll be that. If not, then maybe Shein will be on Monday. So anyways, let me know what you want to see, and hopefully I will see you guys there.